It's a 2018 Toyota Highlander. Life is hectic enough. Make the journey smoother in this Highlander. It was built for families and made for fun. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, Entune external memory control, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, power liftgate, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Kelley Blue Book highlights that you'll find easy-to-use controls, including knobs for the main radio functions and for the climate controls below them. A huge center console can hold 58 standard-sized juice boxes, perfect for keeping anybody seated in the comfortable second row or kids-only third row adequately hydrated. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.